Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Ellevité Revitalization Wrinkle patches. You should buy these patches or not. Does these patches really work or it just another waste of money product? Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you these kind of patches will really give you results. It depends on person to person and skin to skin conditions. Okay, there is no guarantee. Definitely you will get results, or maybe you will not get any kind of results, or maybe you will get some results. So first thing I want to tell you, if you really want to buy any wrinkle patches, you can find these kind of patches on Amazon.com, and there are so many patches available and the ratings of the patches is really good. Okay, so you can choose anyone. Why I'm saying for Amazon.com, because when you purchase product on Amazon.com there is a guarantee you will 100% get your product, but on these kind of websites or these kind of newly launched stores there is no guarantee you will get your product. And if you get the product and if product is good or not, you have to keep the product. You cannot return your product. Okay, so on Amazon.com you can easily return your product if the return policy is applicable. So the first thing I want to tell you, you can go with Amazon.com and you can buy, because on Amazon.com there are some product which is very good in rating. Okay, so now let's talk about the another thing, that is the phone number. The phone number is available on this website. Ellevité is this kind of phone number they are providing, but when we checking this phone number, the phone number is easily available on some other websites like Lulu Talks and all. So how is this possible? If the brand is very unique, so their phone number, how is this possible? The number is available on different websites. So my suggestion is only this: save your money, don't try these kind of brands, and if you really want to buy, you can go with Amazon.com. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and take care. See you soon in the next upcoming videos.